All right, guys, here we go. My name's Gabe, and your name is?
Gabriel.
Okay, now put the, let's see, your screw guns. This one is an impact wrench. Okay. That one is a screw gun. And they are, what are they? What brand, Gabe?
Craftsman's.
Craftsman's? All right, nice. So you'll need that and that, okay? Here we are. What we're doing is we're replacing these stems in the wall. Old-fashioned stuff. The problem here was the other plumbers, they could not get this done because inside there they have 4 inches of cement. If you can see that, put that down low in the hole, Gabe. Right there, hold that so I can get that. See how far that is? That's 4 inches of cement there. And those are new seats back there. Okay, and so what they did is they put the arm in with all this, with everything, and they built the cement up to it. You're not supposed to do that, okay? But they did. So because of that, we're dealing with this. Okay, this is a seat. Let's see. Right here's the seat. This thing closes up. The seat is inside the wall. I already replaced it, and it goes right there. And what it does, that shuts down. But see how when the seat is bad, the face of it right here is bad. It gets like little cracks in here and water keeps running and it cuts that gasket. Look at the new ones. This is the new ones. And we're lucky we found them. And then this is the new and old. See the new seat? See how clean the top is? The other one's all messed up. Here's the new spout versus the old spout. See the difference? So that's the old stuff. We were able to buy a whole set. Okay, the customer wanted to replace it. They had 2 different plumbers come in, and they were going to break the walls. We didn't. You have to be very careful when you take it out. This is called a seat wrench. You see how it is? You got to stick that in the wall. In there, and then you got to tap it right where my, underneath my thumb. Got to put it in straight. And you got to tap it lightly and then turn up to undo it. But you got to be careful that thing doesn't fall down in there. So everything you have to be careful and know what you're doing. So we lucked out. They don't have calcium. They don't have a lot of calcium buildup on this. So the plumbing, the threads and everything didn't get corroded. That would have been a big issue. So we were able to replace that. We're going to replace the tub spout. And here we are with this. So guys, here's the extensions for these stems. So what they do, let me show you. This extension will go on the end of that. So that way it makes up for that distance. See that in the wall? And then sometimes the screws here, let's see, that screw there, sometimes it's frozen in there. So what I did is I took, show me that, here's the gun. And what I did is I took a correct size drill bit. It's got to be right size. Let me see just the bit. I want to see the bit. Okay. So what I did is I took that and I drilled the screws. Put that right there. Okay. So I drilled that. So it has to be just the right size. If you could see, they're just a little bit bigger than that. So you don't mess up the entire stem, just in case you have to use the old. These are called stems. These are new stems. And so when you try to take this screw out, sometimes they're stuck in there, and that's where you put the drill, right there. And then pull this thing off, and there you go.